If you are looking to start the ketogenic diet, but have no idea where or how to start, this simple guide will answer all the questions you may have. Starting a new diet regimen can be overwhelming, especially when it is something as controversial as the ketogenic diet. What is keto? Keto is short for ketogenic, which is a diet that is low in carbohydrates, moderate in protein and high in fat. How does keto work in the body? When carbohydrates get depleted in the body, the liver produces ketones and uses them as energy. This is what the term, nutritional ketosis, means. Usually, our bodies use glucose for fuel. Once they are depleted, it turns to use fat. That is why you will hear the term, fat burning machine, or fat burner, used a lot when talking about ketosis. How do I get started on keto? The best advice I can give is to dive in, full throttle. First, you should consult with your medical professional. I am not licensed to provide any medical advice. The thing is, ketogenic diet doesn't work the way most diets do. You have to go all in or nothing. Slowly decreasing carb and sugar intake are great, but if you are trying to get into nutritional ketosis and experience all the benefits above, you have to cut out the following foods: bread, pasta, rice, starchy vegetables, sugar, fruit with high sugar content, and juice or soda. What are the benefits of the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet has many benefits besides weight loss. Here is a list of some of the benefits you may experience. Reduced inflammation. Increased energy. Increased mental clarity and focus. Reduced cravings. Consistent moods. Decreased appetite. Improved fitness ability. Better skin. Stronger nails. Controlled and stable blood sugar. No afternoon slump or crash. Improved blood markers. Reversed PCOS. Normalized menstrual cycle. Anti-aging effects. These are just a few. The list can go on and on. The main thing to note is once you experience being in ketosis, you will feel so amazing, you won't want to lose that feeling. So, in a nutshell, what to eat to get into ketosis should include the following. Any protein, eggs that you want. All veggies grown above ground. Good quality fats, butter, coconut, avocado, nuts, olive, etc. Berries in small amounts. If you are a beginner and everything is overwhelming to you, and you want someone to guide you on what you should be eating, what your macros should be, how much you should be eating and how to make the food, then this meal plan will be perfect for you. In it, we include everything you would need to start keto and do it the right way. Go to the link in description and access the keto diet resources to help you get started.